Okay, going to be installing a CJOY ceiling fan. This is lights and remote, 58-inch ceiling fan. Just wanted to show you what was in the box. Okay, so here are the parts that are in the box. You've got the LED lights. This is, you don't need light bulbs. This is what attaches to the bottom of that motor there. You get your remote. It's like a pretty decent remote. Got some different settings here, fan on and off, light on and off. You got your screws, which are the fan blades, balancing kit. Here is your receiver. Then you've got your fan blades here. These are a really hard and rigid plastic, but they look really good because they look like wood. You've got your 3 holes there that will attach. So this is a 3-bladed fan, 58 inches. Okay, attach those. You've got your ceiling mount bracket right here. You've got the the globe, and you've got your shroud, 2 shrouds that will go up against the ceiling, and then your pole and your motor right here spins freely. This is where you attach to your light. Okay, so got most of the fan all put together. Here's your harness. Here's your receiver. So what's great about this is that it comes with the ceiling mount. The power comes into this. Your wires come into this. Goes out from the mount to this box, and it plugs in on this side. Plugs in right there. And then for easy wiring, they have these, which is these harnesses right here. So you don't really have to do any wire nuts or anything like that. You just plug those directly into the side of the receiver like that, and you are done. The only thing you might have to wire or wire nut is your green ground. But that is what it looks like. This is the top. It actually comes with extra mounting hardware for the ceiling. Okay, and then this is what the bottom of it looks like. And this is the part that you'll see. Got a nice wood looking blades, and that's what the light looks like. So that's what it looks like from the top. That's what the 3 blades look like.